that's reasonable. You know, the National Park Service, they charge $300 flat rate for the bus where you got camp. One way you're gonna test to that is, y'all wanna see something special?
Oh yes.
Alright, well I'm gonna show y'all something special. I'm kidding y'all. Okay, get your cameras and phones ready, you guys. Hoover Dam, 1931 and 1935, y'all. Now look at that bathtub ring. Now that is scary. 190 feet plus lower than it was in 1983. We need heavy snow in the Rockies. Now, if we went up the Colorado River, going to be on your right as we go into this curve, y'all. This other two-lane US 93, you connect up there, guys, just like that. Light the fuse and hope for the best. This parking garage opened up in June of 1996. That's 29 years ago. And I can say that without the intake towers you got right here on your left. The turbines at the bottom of those towers. You go down with the engineer, they'll show you exactly how they work. That's a 90-minute tour. They do that from Las Vegas 7 days a week. In the back left-hand corner is the Nevada Spillway. From it, but you oh, come on, y'all, take the damn picture.